On this video, we will find a polynomial function that has this characteristic. It is the fourth degree polynomial. We have these zeros and we'll go through this point. So what we have is, first of all, we have the zeros. That's what we are given. -1, 3, and -2. Degree of 4, meaning that we're going to have 4 zeros. That's why this is multiplicity of 2, so that is kind of important. Right, first, there's the theorem, the zero factor theorem. It says that if -1, if c is a 0, then x minus c is a factor. I'll write it down. X minus equal to c is a 0, then x minus c is a factor. Right, so -1, we're going to have x minus -1. Multiplicity of 2, meaning that we're going to have 2 of them. 3, so x minus 3 is a factor, and then -2, we have x minus -2 is a factor. I put them together, we're going to have x plus 1 squared, x minus 3, and x plus 2. So the polynomial that we're trying to find, we have to have those factors. But not just that. We might have a leading coefficient to be anything. We should write a4, but a is fine, a sub n, because this factor this coefficient does not affect the factor, therefore does not affect the zeros. So that is the polynomial we're trying to find. And now we just need to determine a sub n. Good thing that we are given this information here. So when x equal to 2, the whole function should be equal to 108. So we're going to have at x equal to 2, we still have a sub n here, but we know x equal to 2, so we have 2 plus 1 squared, 2 minus 3, and 2 plus 2. And that's supposed to be equal to 108. And then when we multiply it out, that will be 3 squared will be 9 times 4, 36, -36. So I just write here. So this will be 9, -1, and 4. So altogether we will have -36 a sub n times that equal to 108. So a sub n is 108 divided by -36, which will be -3. So the polynomial we're trying to find will be -3, x plus 1 squared, x minus 3, and x plus 2. I just put -3 back into this. Right. Quickly though, if we need to evaluate this on the calculator, we can always bring up the calculator. Right, we can always do this. We put 2 and we store into x. I hit that key, store into x, and we will evaluate this. So I will write x plus 1. This problem is simple enough, we don't have to do this, but for more complicated problem, this might help. I forgot an x. And was just negative 36. We did that by hand also. And also we can also multiply this out, but let's not do that. So in this form we just have the polynomial, not in the standard form, but it will have all these properties.